Hello mga palangga, so this time I will tell you that never do these 8 things in life. So if you have time to listen, just listen carefully. 1. Never play with someone's feelings just for your happiness. You may win the game, but the rest is that you will surely lose the person for a lifetime. 2. Never stop to make yourself better. No matter what you know, the minute you stop building yourself, you begin to deteriorate. 3. Never think that you are not good enough. In life, people will take you for what or how you present yourself. 4. Never lose in hope. To hope is to breathe life, to free your mind from fear and pessimism and fill it with optimism and positive thinking. So, no matter how difficult your life gets, never deprive yourself of hope. 5. Never lose your self-respect. Self-respect is a form of self-care. 6. Never beg for opportunities. Snatch them when you beg for opportunities, including jobs. You will be seen as inexperienced and of low value. It is much better to have confidence in the value you have to offer than to beg. 7. Never take anyone or anything in life for granted. Taking things for granted is considered irresponsible, even damaging. Taking your spouse for granted is a surefire way to make them feel unloved. Taking your income for granted can put you at financial risk if you lose your job. Taking your health for granted can lead you to take poor care of yourself. 8. Even if the world takes advantage of you, never let the good in you will die. So that's all mga palangga. Hoping you like this moment that I tell you. And this another is, before you spread gossip about somebody's life and their failures, remember there are chapters of your life you don't want to read out loud either. Kung dili taganahan nga ang ato ang kinabuhi ma-isyuhan or machismis sa lain, dili ta mangilabot og kinabuhi sa laing tawo. Dili nato sila hilabtan kung unsay problema nga naa sa ilaha, o dili nato i-mind kung unsa ang mga failures nila. Kay kita po sa tuang kaugalingon naputay failures nga gikaatubang sa ato ang kinabuhi. So, the reason why I'm making this video with my voice over is to spread or i-share sa inyo nga dapat before nato i-mind ang problema sa ubang tawo, dapat before nato i-mind ang mga failures sa ubang tawo, failures sa ato mga igsuon, failures sa ato ang mga amiga o uban pa o kinsa pa na, unahon nato tong kaugalingon kung karapat dapat ba gyud mag-judge or mag-mind sa ilahang mga kaugalingong problema o failures sa life. Atong lantaw ng atong kaugalingon sa samin kung kinahanglan ba jud ta nga maghilabot sa ilahang mga kinabuhi. So that's all mga palangga. Be yourself always and make yourself better as you can. Thank you for watching and thank you for listening. Bye-bye. Love, love.